used to sonically map out the ocean floor thanks to the fact that the sound can reach depth of 2.5 km, which is miles in 1.6 miles under the water, which bounces back and provides researchers with accurate measurements. Beyond that, a 2021 study in Science showed how using a fin whale song can be far more useful and have less of a negative impact on sea life than using a larger air gun, which is the typical tool researchers rely on. On number 7, we will talk about new creatures have been found in deep sea volcanoes. Let's talk about it. Finding previously undiscovered organism in the depth of the ocean may sound like something straight out of a scientific horror film, but a 2020 study of a deep sea volcano near New Zealand, published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the US of America, uncovered over 90 putative bacterial and archaeal genomic families and nearly 300 previously unknown genera. Would you believe this? Some researcher has linked hydrothermal vents like deep sea volcanoes to the origin of life. So we are looking at the early sign of future land dwellers. Will have to wait and see. At number 10, at number 8, we'll be talk about Mount Everest is bigger now than the last time it was measured. Wow, is it magic? No, let's talk about it in detail. Mount Everest may not have physically grown, having reached maturity a long time ago. However, the most recent measurement performed by a surveyor representing China and Nepal has the mountain peak standing taller than we would thought in the past. Previous readings have ranged from 29,002 feet above sea level in 1856 down to 2029 in 1955. Look at the differences. According to NPR, but after the long process of measuring the mountain with GPS devices, experts have now stated that Mount Everest stands at a whooping 29,031.69 feet due to plate tectonics. Let's talk about climate change in causing flower to change color. Do you believe that flower change the color and our climate change? Don't worry, your prized red roses are not going to turn turquoise overnight, but an increase in UV radiation due to the ozone layer deteriorating over the past decades has caused flowers over all the globe of change. A 2020 study led by Clemson University scientists determined that the UV pigmentation in flower has increased over time, which has led to the degradation of their pollen. Although we can't see the color change with our eyes, it is a big problem for pollinators like bees, who are attracted to the bright colors that flowers produce. Now, moving on, we'll talk about dentistry is the oldest profession in the world. Do you believe that dentistry is the oldest profession in the world and is most expensive? Its cosmetics is most expensive. Let me talk about its dentistry goes all the way back to when humans first had teeth. Well, not quite that long. However, one study found evidence of teeth being drilled in skulls that dates from 750 to 9,000 years ago. The holes were likely made using a prehistoric bow drill. Could that be the work of the first dentist? Other breeding research conducted by the University of Bologna, Italy, on a 14,000-year-old skull found that one rotten tooth in the jaw has been deliberately scarred and scraped with a tool, according to the BBC. That makes dentistry one of the oldest recording profession and is definitely a reason to smile. Now moving on, we will talk about North Korea and Cuba are the only places you can't buy Coca-Cola. No matter where you go, it's comforting to know you can always enjoy a Coca-Cola will almost anywhere. While this fizzy drink is sold practically everywhere, it still has not officially made its way to North Korea or Cuba according to the BBC. That's because these countries are under long-term US trade embargoes. However, some folks says you might be able to snag a sip of the stuff if you try hard enough. Although it will typically be a lot more expensive than what you would pay in the States and probably imported from a neighboring countries such as Mexico or China. Now move on. We are at number 12. We're talking about the entire world's population could fit inside Los Angeles. Do you believe that? The world's total population is more than 7.5 billion, and obviously that number sounds huge. However, it might feel a little more manageable once you learn that if every single one of those people stood shoulder to shoulder, stood shoulder to shoulder, they could all fit within the 500 square mile of Los Angeles according to National Geographic. Now move on, we are on number 13. There are more twins now than ever before. You might think twins are a rarity, but they are actually becoming more common than ever. From about 1915, when the statistical record begins, until 1980, about 1 in every 50 babies born was a twin. A rate of 2%, right? Alexis C. Madrigal of the Atlantic. Then the rate began to increase. By 1995, it was 2.5%. The rate surpassed 3% in 2001 and hit 3.3% in 2010. That means 1 out of every 30 babies born in a twin. Scientists believe this trend is due to the fact that older women tend to have more twins, and women are choosing to start families like later. Fertility treatments such as in vitro fertilization also play a role. We are at number 14. The hottest chili pepper in the world is so hot it could kill you. We'll talk about it. The weapon grade Dragon's Breath chili pepper is so hot, it's downright deadly. The name is Dragon Breath chili pepper. If you ate one, it could potentially cause a type of an anaphylactic shock, burning your airways and closing them up. I have tried it on the tip of my tongue and it just burned and burned, said Mike Smith, the hobby grower who invented the dragon's breath along with scientists from Nottingham University. So why make such an impractical pepper? As it turns out, the chili was initially developed to be used in medical treatments as an anesthetic that can numb the skin. Now we are number 15. More people visit France than any other country. Why? What's the reason behind it? Let's talk about it. France is a beautiful country filled to the brim with delicious wines, scrumptious cheese, and ton of romance. So it's no surprise that more people want to visit France than any other country in the world. According to UN World Tourism Organization, in 2017, the European country welcomed 86.9 million people. Wow, that's a huge amount. Spain was the second most popular destination with 81.8 million visitors, followed by US 76.9 million, China 60.7 million, and Italy 58.3 million. Now let's talk about the world's most densely populated island in the size of 2 soccer fields. Santa Cruz del Isla in the archipelago of San Bernardo off the coast of Colombia may only be about the size of two soccer fields, 2 acres, but the artificial island has 4 main streets and 10 neighborhoods. 500 people live on the island in around 155 houses. With so many people packed into such a small space, it's the most densely populated island in the world according to Guardian. We are at number 17, the facts about world. Then we will talk about the Canary Islands are named after dogs, not birds. It might seem safe to assume that the Canary Islands were named after canary birds, but the location was actually named for a different animal. Although it's off the coast of northwestern Africa, the archipelago is actually part of Spain. In Spanish, the area's name is Islas Canarias, which comes from the Latin phrase Canaria Insulae for island of dogs. Now we'll talk a little bit about Indonesia. We are at number 18. Indonesia is home to some of the shortest people in the world. What's about that means? Let's talk about. Though there are short people and tall people anywhere, Indonesia is home to some of the shortest people in the world according to data compiled from various global sources by The Telegraph in 2017. When taking both genders into account, the average adult is around 5 feet 1.8 inches. People in Bolivia don't tend to be much taller, with an average adult height of 5 feet 2.5 inches. The tallest people among us live in the Netherlands, where the average adult height is 6 feet. Then we will talk a little bit about Paris, the beauty of the world. The Paris Agreement on Climate Change was signed by the largest number of countries ever in one single day. When 174 world leaders signed the Paris Agreement on Earth Day in 2016 at the UN headquarters in New York, it was the largest number of countries ever to come together to sign anything on a single day. The agreement aims to combat climate change and accelerate and intensify the action and investment needed to strengthen the global climate effort. Now we are at number 20. The world's quietest room is located at Microsoft headquarters in Washington State. Silence is golden, as they say, and while it may not be worth quite as much as jewels and gold to most people, its certainty was the primary goal for those who built the quietest room in the world. Located at Microsoft headquarters in Redmond, Washington, the lab room measured a background noise of minus 20.35 dBA, which is 20 decibel below the threshold of human hearing and break previously records for species that were deemed the planet's quietest people place according to CNN. As soon as one enters the room, one immediately feels a strange and unique sensation which is hard to describe. Hanraj Gopal, a speech and hearing scientist and principal designer of the anechoic chamber at Microsoft, told CNN, most people find the absence of sound deafening, feel a sense of fullness in the ears or some ringing. Very faint sound become clearly audible because the ambient noise is exceptionally low. When you turn your head, you can hear the motion. You can hear yourself breathing, and it sounds somewhat loud. We are at number 21. There is only one country in the world that doesn't use the metric system. What is that? Let's talk about. For simplicity's sake, most of the more than 200 countries in the world use the metric system, when describing things like length or masses. However, there are recently three countries that stood out: Libya, Myanmar, and the US. In 2018, Libya Commerce and Industry Minister Wilson Terpe said the government planned to adopt the metric system in order to promote accountability and transparency in trade. According to Liberian Observer, Myanmar made a similar commitment which leaves the US as a lone holdout. Now we are at number 22. The longest place named on the planet is 85 letter song. Oh my god, what's that? Let's talk about. People who live in Mamukamakakokinkoka Hill. It's funny. Australia need a little patience when it comes to learning spell their hometown name, but you know what? Do the folk from Lake Chargo Goma Man. Chago cha na gunga mag. Let's little bit try it. We'll spell it for you. CHAUGGAGCHAUBUNAGUNGAMUGG in Mississippi, and it's little bit tough. We can't pronounce it. It's in South Africa. None of them above quite as much work to do when jotting down their address. So those who live in this crazy name town, New Zealand, though at 85 letter long, this is the longest place name in the world. Now we are at number 23 and we will talk about babies. 4 babies are born every second. Every second we welcome 4 new babies into our overall population. Do a little math and you'll find out the means there are approximately 250 births each minute, 15,000 each hour and 360,000 each day. Let's talk about some weather. We are at number 24. The coldest temperature ever recorded was minus 144 degree Fahrenheit. You might think you have accustomed to frigid air and blustery winds, but the average winter day has nothing on the coldest day ever recorded, which was minus 144 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature was recorded in Antarctica during a span of research between 2004 and 2016. Just a few breaths of air at that temperature would induce homohagging in your lungs and kill you. Let's take a 2-minute break and we'll talk about. Let's take a second minute break. We'll be back. So here we are at number 25. The Earth's ozone layer will make a full recovery in 50 years. It's very large amount of years. Because of pollution, the Earth's ozone layer has suffered a lot. That's bad news for everyone, since the fragile gas layer protects our planet and shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Fortunately, climate change experts believe that the ozone layer will fully heal within 50 years, according to a 2018 report from the UN. The recovery is thanks in large part of the Montreal Protocol of 1987, which put a global ban on the US of one of the main culprit for the damage, chlorofluorocarbons. Previously, CFOs had been common in refrigerators, aerosol cans, and dry cleaning chemicals. Now the place is we will talk about is Japan. We are at 26. Let's talk about Japan earthquake. Japan is the world's most earthquake prone country. Earthquake can range from minor tremors that are barely noticeable to building toppling around shakers that cause massive destruction. But it's an inevitable part of life for those who live in countries such as China, Indonesia, Iran, and Turkey, which are some of the most earthquake prone places on the planet. However, according to USGS, Japan records the most earthquake in the world. Now we are at number 27. There are around 4 quadrillion bacteria on Earth. Do you listen it? 4 quadrillion bacteria on Earth. Not all bacteria are bad. In fact, some of those itty-bitty biological cells are actually good for us and aid the world in various and complex ways, and that's nice to know. Considering there are around 4 quadrillion individual bacteria on our planet according to NPR. We are at number 28. People who are currently alive represent about 7% of the total number of people who have ever lived. Here is another world fact to keep in the back of your mind. According to the Population Reference Bureau, since the time Homo sapiens first hit the sense 50,000 years ago, more than 108 billion members of our species have been born, and a large chunk of that number is alive right now. According to the Bureau, the number of people have alive today represent a whopping 7% of the total number of humans who have ever lived. We are at number 29. Muhammad is thought to be the most popular name in the world. Step aside John, James, Mary, and Jane, the most popular name in the world is believed to be Muhammad. According to The Independent, is estimated 150 million men and boys around the world share this name. The popularity is thanks to a Muslim tradition of naming every firstborn son after the Islamic prophet. We are at number 30. Only 2 countries use purple in their national flag. Let's talk about this color. The flag of Nicaragua features a rainbow in the center that includes a band of purple, while the flag of Dominica boasts a picture of Cicerao parrot, a bird with purple feathers. These elements make them the only 2 flags in the world that use the color purple in their flags. Now let's talk about Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. Do you listen it? Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world's rural population. Let's talk in detail. Not everyone lives in a booming city or sprawling suburb. Many people still make their homes outside of bustling locations, especially in India, which has the largest number of people living in rural areas. Approximately 893 million people live outside of the city. According to Reuters, China also has an impressively large rural population, with 568 million living outside of major centers. Now we are at number 32. Let's talk about money. The most expensive coin in the world was sold for more than $7 million. The 1933 Double Eagle was a $20 coin made of gold that never went into circulation. A few of the coins were made, but most were destroyed, save for 9 that were presumed stolen by US mint workers. After years circulating the globe and falling into the hands of a few notable owners, including the King of Egypt, one of the coin was auctioned off at Sotheby's in 2002 for a stunning 7,05,090.20. That made it the most expensive coin ever sold at auction. We are at number 33. The world's largest man-made oyster reef was created in Maryland. What's that? Let's talk about some details. Due to overfishing and disease, the oyster population in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay was seriously suffering, but thanks to dedicated work by scientists at the Horn Point Laboratory, the Army Corps, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and the Nature Conservancy, the state is now home to the world's largest man-made oyster reef. Home to more than 1 billion oysters, the area is a no-fishing zone, which will hopefully give the population a chance to recover. Now we are at number 34. A record-breaking 92 countries competed in the 2018 Winter Olympic. Let's talk about something about Olympics. Every 4 years, the Olympic Games bring together the most competitive athletes from around the world, and when the Pyeongchang Winter Games were held in 2018, 2,952 athletes were expected to show up from a total of 92 countries that beat the previous record of 2,800 athletes from 88 countries who participated in the Winter Game in 2014. Now move on, we are at number 35. Let's talk about Sudan. South Sudan is the youngest country in the world. Wow, youngest country, what it mean by? Let's talk something about that. Some countries are hundreds of years old, while others can trace their nation's history back for thousands of years. But South Sudan is in North Africa, just gained its independence from Sudan in 2011, which currently makes it the youngest country in the world. Now move on, we are at 36. More than 52% of the world's population is under 30 years old. Like we have 52% youth in the whole world. According to UN Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, as of 2012, 50.5% of the world population were people under the age of 30. Around 89.7% of those young people live in emerging and developing economies like the Middle East and Africa. Now let's move on. People 60 years and older make up 12.3% of the global population. Although the majority of the human population is currently under 30 years old, there are still plenty of older folks among us. In fact, over 12% of people on earth are 60 years old and older. That number is expected to reach 22% off by 2050. Let's move further. We are at number 38. There are more than 24 time zones around the world. If the Earth's time zone were each 1 hour apart, then we would have 24 time zones, which sound pretty straightforward. However, the situation is a little more complicated than that, since many time zones only differ by 30 or 45 minutes, then they don't fit into a neat and tidy 24-hour span, which means that there are more than 24, though it's hard to say exactly how many. Let's move further. We are at number 39. What's that? It's about FIFA World Cup. Nearly half of the world's population watched both the 2010 and 2014 FIFA World Cup games. Soccer or football, depending on who you ask, is the most popular sport around the world. That's why when the FIFA World Cup games took place in the both 2010 and 2014, nearly half of the world population, around 3.2 billion people, turned in to see who would win. More further, let's talk about island Sweden. It's an estimated that Sweden has more islands than any other country, so we can say that Sweden is full of islands. With 221,800 islands, Sweden is thought to have more islands than any other country in the world. Only about 1,000 of them are inhabited. Let's move further. We are at number 41. There are 43 countries that still have a royal family. There are 43 countries still have royal family. The British royal family may be the most famous royal family on the planet, but there are still plenty of other nobles out there. In total, there are 228 royal families who rule over a total of 43 countries around the world, including Japan, Spain, Switzerland, Bhutan, Thailand, Monaco, Sweden, the Netherlands, and Liechtenstein. Now move further, we are at number 42. Let's talk about California. California is home to the Artichoke capital of the world. What's that? Castroville is a rural town in California that grows a lot of artichokes and other vegetable crops, thanks to the fact that the area enjoys ideal weather year around. Because of this, it grows 99.9% of all commercially grown artichokes and has even been nicknamed the artichoke capital of the world. Now we are at 43. Let's talk about panda. All game pandas in zoos around the world are on loan from China. Do you listen? All these panda in zoos around the world are on loan from China. Like all the panda in the world are owned by China. The panda at your local zoo may look like it's at home in its cozy sanctuary, but unless you live in China, the pandas that you are seeing are just visiting. That's because every one of the gentle gains in zoo around the world are on loan from China. Yes, they are technically the property of the government of China according to Vox. Let's move further. The most typical human fits this description. According to the study developed for National Geographic in 2011, the world's most typical person is right-handed, makes less than 12,000 per year, has a mobile phone and doesn't have a bank account. Let's move further. Talk about something about Canada. We are at number 45. Canada has 9% of the world's forest. Our neighbor to the north boasts 396.9 million hectares of forest, or 9% of all of the forest area in the entire world, according to Natural Resources of Canada. We are at number 46. Let's talk about birds. The red-billed quail is the most common bird on earth. There may not be any red-billed quails in your neighborhood, but there is not because there are not an abundance of them. These birds, which live in sub-Saharan Africa, are considered agricultural pests because their massive flock can obliterate entire crops. Although their numbers fluctuate, there are around 1 to 10 billion quails, which leads scientists to believe that there are more of them than any other bird on earth, according to Audubon. We are at number 47, near to 50. So let's talk about population. There is a website that tracks the world's population in real time. As of 2021, the overall human population is estimated to be more than 7.8 billion people, and if you want to watch that increase in real time, you can turn into the world population clock, which shows the upstreak and downstreak as babies are born and people die. You can also see the current population of different countries. Now let's talk about China or language. We are at number 48. More people speak Mandarin China than any other language.